The campaign for the adjourned elections of Sohïong constituency is still going on, and all political parties urge the people of the constituency to elect their respective candidates. Speaking at the public rally at Sohïong, UDP candidate Sinchar Lingdo Thaba said the youth of the constituency sees who speaks for the betterment of them. Late HDR had done many good things for Sohïong and for the state overall. Many development had been brought in. Paul Lingdo, while speaking at a public meeting, said, "We have seen the mandate of the people of the state. The people from Hill select more NPP, and in Khasi and Jaintia they chose UDP. He also said the 26 MLA cannot form the government and the 11 MLA also can't form the government. That's why they have to work together in the government.
Ubah gila penting kena lupa. Sensyar, kabaliu sensyar, sajoin lang, kaliang sensyar, namar kejala megalia, kaladep jit, pat garu jit kambun ya ke NPP, upat kasih penaruh jit bun ya ke UDP, na kata-kata ban yuk ban sensyar, luar hendriu lah ban sensyar yang hendriu kau. Hardway imla ban sensyar yang hendriu kau. Nakada-kada wahap banyak terhilang hak sorkar.
Ipat pak yapet ayu MLA Ukran apo assembly. Katkum kajuk katkum kapor minshwa mahe ladab le luk ikam ki babha hanne apo Sohïong constituency baru hak jalla Meghalaya jungi.
The state unit president of the National People's Party